I created my own map with my own ideas called Chickens Escape. That's what my mom will be playing today. Anyway, start.
Okay. First task. Escape the zoo. Can I just go out the store? No, that would be too easy. Okay.
There's a lever on the other side of the door that you have to figure out how to flick.
Wait, I'm holding something. Is it an egg?
Mm-hmm. You're a chicken in this, by the way. You know that, right?
Wait,
now,
I'm
how the heck?
flying.
Oh, wait, no. Go over your cage. Go over
Whee!
your cage. Go over your cage. Go over your cage. You're not supposed to be in creative mode.
Oh, crap. Why can't I just live here as a chicken, then? All right, hold on.
There's a lever on the other side of the door.
I heard you. I'm trying to see if I can jump out.
No, you have to click the lever on the other side of the door. If you jump out, I'm going to make you go there again.
Okay.
Because, Mom, I have a lever that teleports you there like that.
There. Let's escape, chickens! Alright, are we still in the zoo?
Yeah, you have to escape it.
Can I free the other animals? Dang. Pigs. Okay. What are you doing?
Hey, get back to your cage!
No. Hey, what the? No. I don't want to be imprisoned. Here, I'll go this way. That creepy crawlies. Is that spiders? No thanks.
It's a zoo. So it's like they're like in an enclosure.
Rabbits.
Habitats. That says habitats, Mom.
Oh, wait, it does? Oh, exhibits is what that says. Food. I guess I'll go towards the exhibits. Bat. Okay. Zombies. It's not an animal. Spider. Cave spiders. Regular spiders?
Yep.
Wait, this isn't a way to escape. Okay, I'm gonna go to the food then. What's that? It says, sorry.
He's going on his watch, so if he
Sorry,
sees...
closed? Is that what that's supposed to say?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's going on his shift. Hey, what are you doing there? He was going on his food shift, and I saw you. You better not be there any longer.
What the frick? Get out of my way, chicken. Alright. Sheep.
Remember, there's parts where you can just run away. Don't do that. Hey!
Let's see.
Wait,
I thought he was at the food.
There's a human costume that you have to put on.
Okay. Don't have to go over there. When's he gonna go away? Okay. Is it on?
Hey!
Wait, am I holding it? What do I do? Do I have to equip? There. Is that good?
Bye! I hope you had a great time at the zoo.
Thanks.
What the hell?
Second task. Follow the red blocks. Follow the red brick road. Wait, is this where it stops? There's an arrow in
There's a sign right there. There's a sign
house.
right there.
Where? Oh. Task. Third task. Go in the house. So I assume it's the house with an arrow.
No, it's the house right next to it.
Not the house with the huge arrow above it?
No.
Are you
That's
sure?
another part of the game.
Fourth task. Get on the roof. Where's that sign? hold on. 5th task, parkour until you're on top of the marked house.
Go. Go.
Okay, I made it. 6th task, run and follow blue blocks.
Hey, there that chicken is.
Run.
There's nowhere to go.
Wait, whoa! I'm swimming.
I assume chickens can't swim.
Why is it so laggy?
It's the new physics in Minecraft, that's why. How are you gonna do it?
How do I get out? It's just, I can't. Oh, am I out? Oh, frick, how do you?
Walk.
There, okay.
Hey!
Get away from me.
Here.
No!
Come here.
No!
Come here, you bossy chicken. Oh no, Major, we lost him. He's lost in the woods.
Why do they care about one stupid chicken?
His name was Ashley.
The chicken?
Yeah.
7th task, swim down.
Just swim all the way to the bottom.
Like this? Am I down?
Here, so, yeah. Swim to the bottom. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Well, Mom, where do you think it's taking you?
I don't know. To drown? Let's see, what does this say? 8 task, find food. I am food. What am I holding? Am I holding the head? Oh. Alright, let's see. Well, there can't be any food down here, so.
There's definitely food down there.
Do I need to go back down? This place is creepy.
Yep, Mama's going to the library.
What are these holes? Huh. Oh wait, what's this? 9th task, eat food, then follow yellow blocks. Oh, shoot, where'd it go? Oh, I have it. How do I eat it?
Hold on the screen.
I am.
Hold.
It's making me hit.
Hold.
There's no food in there. Alright, follow the yellow blocks. Follow the yellow brick, follow the yellow brick, follow the yellow brick road. We're off to see the wizard.
That better not be copyrighted.
Wait, they ended. Oh wait, there's more. Oh shoot, how do I get up this? Do I have to swim?
It doesn't. Your controls do. Okay, guys, back from the break. Mom is up.
The break. Is this where I end, or is there somewhere else I'm supposed to go? Oh wait, I'm still following them. Wait, up. Oh wait, there's a sign. Okay, it says, step 10, run to your freedom. Where's my freedom?
Just run off into the forest.
Leroy Jenkins!
You've been waiting to do that.
Free chicken. Chicken run. What the fuck?